Namaste, Khusro Bitia. I, Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today we will see what is the latest trend information in security threats. Okay, so here is some latest trends and information about security threat like hacktivism, that is called it's a hack plus activism, that is called hacktivism, the use of legal and or illegal digital tools in pursuit of political personal objectives. Tools and attacks are used for website defacements and redirects, denial of service attack, and identify theft, email bombing, website mirroring, doxing. Doxing means to gather information using sourced on the internet. So let us understand what is the website defacement. Website defacement means hacking and altering the website of a company's website. It's a huge blunder. You can say that it's a hacking because uh, it change your company's and website names, which is run under over the internet. So identity fraud and identity theft. What does mean? Stealing someone's identity in which someone pretend to be someone else by assuming that person's identity. That means a hacker hacks your account and they run your account as their perspectives, you but no one can realize that you are who is running your account. uh, they can't they can't differentiate you are or other person. Okay, so this is also an hacking, and it is used for it is used for illegal work. Doxing means process of gathering and releasing personally identifiable information like your password, your username. Denial of service attack means attempt to make a machine or network resources unavailable to its intended user. You are not permissible to use your account and your website network. Okay, that is called denial of service attack. Typically target sites or services hosted on high profile web servers such as bank, credit card payment gateway, and even root name servers. Key technique used. What is the technique used for this type of attacking? So phishing is attempt to acquire sensitive information like bank account information or an account password by posing as a legitimate entity in an electronic communication. You get an email that look like it comes from your bank credit card company. Okay, but this is fraud. Asking you to update their records may be due to potential fraud. Other regions provides a hyperlink to a web page where you enter your personal information and then they hack your identity and your debit record. Okay, the link takes you to thief's website that is disguised to look like the companies, but they are not actual the authenticated company. They are attacker. you bring they bring you on their website and you are unknowingly about it, and you give the all records, all information about your you can say that bank information. Okay, so how the technique what is the technique behind the phishing? So you can see the picture. Here is a Fisher, that is your real website, and it's a victims. Okay, victims means users. So Fisher uses of a stolen ID password information from your real website, and then they use users respond an ID password to the Fisher's website, and then they hack your identity. So how to work phishing is, first of all, they preparation set of fake website, then they luring the users, then send email with fake link, and then steal the details. User gives away ID password, and then use the detail, commit fraud. Most common security mistakes is done by user is they use poor password management, not locking the computer while unattended, opening email attachments from unknown addresses, not running antivirus programs in your computer, sharing information and machines, not reporting security violations, unattended paper documents, unprotected electronics data violate REST and a motion, that is your email and USB CD etc. Improper information handling, passing of information over phone. So these are some mistake which is done by user, and therefore they can easily steal your information. Okay, information security responsibility: engage information security teams to support the line of business, enabling secure solution for new process and technology. Work with the information security team like Rishi to drive line of business specific information security metric reporting. Support regional information security teams in mitigating security risk from internal audit report findings. Follow business continuity plans given by bank in case of any disaster emergency. Report security violation and security incidents. Adhere to bank's information security policy and guidance. Guidelines: maintain and update asset register of your office department. Extend support to RISU during risk assessment and business impact analysis of your office and department. Implement and act in accordance with the organization information security policies and procedures. Protect assets from unauthorized access, disclosure, modification, destruction, or interference. Execute defined security process or activities. Report security potential events or other security risk by followed approved process. Do not use systems or access information without authorization. Adhere to control put in place to protect assets. Okay, so these are some standard and regulation ISO 27001 information security management system. Okay, so these are some standard and regulation activities which is stored your, which can protect your data, and cyber security is everyone's responsibility. Okay, thank you. That's all in this session. I hope you enjoyed my session. If any query regarding this session, you feel comfortable and give comment. Thank you. This digital version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you. India stands 10th in the cyber crime in the world. First of all, in the cyber crime world is USA, China, Germany, Britain, Brazil, Spain, Italy, France, Turkey, and then India. So, and this is all about. Thank you.